House EK, and today we just picked up a quick release setup. So what we got in this box is a quick release. We have the short hub, and this right here is a steering wheel, NRG, brand new. Yep. Disconnecting your battery, go ahead and come to your side of your steering wheel, popped off the side right here, and there's gonna be like a star right there. Let's fucking feel focus. There we go. Get a star right there. Be a little clip. If you come this side, there's gonna be another one too right there. So pop that off, make sure your battery's off, pop it off, and then you can screw these, and then your airbag should fall right off. There's the black one for this yellow clip. You're just gonna use this right here, pull it back, and then pull it apart. There we go, and it'll just disconnect. And that goes your airbag. So, since we have it off, there's gonna be this middle bolt right here. And for me, it's a 18. No, it's a 19 actually, not 18, it's a 19. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take it off. Don't take it off, do not take it off fully. I mean, you can, but just try not to take it off fully. Because to be able to take it out, you're gonna have to hit each side, so pull out, and you don't pull out the SRS. See? There we go. Just like that. And we're not gonna try to pull it towards you. You're just gonna hit the sides, which is gonna be like that. Wiggle it as much as you can, and just repeat the process until it comes off. I'm not missing nothing. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Dead center. And then mine is already top dead center because I straightened it. But if you come here, you will see that there is a top dead center right there, the line. So what I had to do is I had to run all the way down there. As you can see, this wire right here is connected right here. They're gonna be on top of that white bracket, and that gray one right there was for the other one. So it's better to take it off from these two and pull it, and then you have some loose strings, and you just have two cuts right here. And if you come right here, if you come closer, there you go. You're gonna have that one and a top one. So you're gonna match it up. I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter which way; it's gonna be the same. So what I'm gonna just go bottom from this way up. Put that in. Push it in, make sure it's locked up in there tight. Okay. Alright, got an 18. Oh, it's a 19, not an 18. Okay. Just hand tighten this. Righty tighty. Just gonna make sure we're snug. And that works. That should be good. There we go. It's tight. Alright, so we're gonna do it star pattern or cross-tie them. So what you're gonna do is just hand tighten them. Don't tighten them too tight. Just snug them up so it won't strip, or you'll skip the thread when using an Allen wrench. So now we have it on. This is the NRG with a Momo and an NRG. So as you can see, we assembled the hub and the quick release. No ding, unfortunately. There we go, and it's on. As you can see. So we finished the quick release. Took us a while. it's not bad for a second timer. The first time my uncle helped me. The second time I did it myself. But then we got it done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. How to put on your guys' quick release on it could be to 96 to 2000, or I'm pretty sure it's the same from 90 to 2000. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.